At 2 p.m. Eastern Time, all eyes will be on Jerome Powell and the Fed. But right now, we're going to talk about XRP XLM rally price action. Do we have more steam to get us through? Will Jerome Powell drop something that'll stall the market? Let's get into it. Jerome, you better be nice today. And I'm going to be starting my morning off with some Tong Cat Ali. Been taking it now for 6 days. Increased focus, increased energy. If you want to learn more about this very cheap and popular supplement, I will have a video linked at the end of this one. And we're going with the green lights to give that rally some more support. Bitcoin sitting at 28,145. The stall at 28 is what I was telling everyone in the video yesterday. ETH 1765. No one's really paying attention to ETH. It's either Bitcoin or the alt XRP up 13.8% last 24, sitting at 44 cents. We're going to talk about that XRP move in depth here coming up, and XLM above 9 cents ahead of Jerome Powell and the Fed's decision, up 7.4% in the last 24. Let's take a look now at the chart. All right, XRP made some big moves. The move started right as breaking through that 40 cent mark and continued all the way on up to right at that 50 cent mark. We're getting up there. 49.104, 49.13, really close to that 50 cent mark, but could not hold it. So right now, short-term resistance, 50 cents right there. The market told us very heavily, and if we zoom in, you could see the action and the reaction from that, right? Here's the action to move on to break through 50, and what happened was it was rejected, and rejected quite strongly, where people took a lot of profits, dropping it all the way down to 46.2. We are now slowly peeling away on price action. As you can see, volume is going down. As the volume is going down, the price is going down. And that's the whole key. I said this in the video yesterday. Will there be enough money? Is there enough volume to keep this going? Now, if we zoom out to the 1 month chart, take a look. You can see the massive move here on the 20th with the retraction. What will this candlestick look like with Jerome Powell and the Fed coming out with their rate hike announcement? Here's the deal. They come out with the 25. I think we're going to be okay. I don't think it's going to blow the doors off anything because everyone right now is expecting Jerome Powell and the Fed to come out with the 25. If the Fed, they come out with nothing, right? They're going to pause on rate hikes because of all this bank mess that's going on. I guarantee you, well, I don't really guarantee you in quotes, but 99.99% market will rally big time. Let me show you a real quick tool here. And as always, any article you see in this video will be linked in the description below. All right, so I want to show you the CME Group Fed Watch tool, okay? Chicago Mercantile Exchange, reppin' Chicago. All right, so here's the deal. Target rate probabilities for the Fed meeting. The current rate right now is 450 to 475. 10% of people out there in the know are thinking, hey, no rate increase. They're going to pause for this meeting. 90%, 89.3, nearly 90% of people out there are saying, nope, quarter raise. No one is saying 50. Now, you could look at the historical changes, and you could see that, whoa, we have gone big time. A week ago, March 15th, we were at a 50-50 split with people, pretty much 54% and 45%, pretty much half split, between nothing and a quarter raise. Wow. 1 month ago, everyone, a 50 was on the table, a quarter people thinking it's not looking like it's going to happen. Let's get to XLM. XLM saw the same thing. The irony, though, is that XLM's resistance point was that 10 cent mark, all right? When XLM broke 10 cents last time and was sustained, it rallied within 3 days up to 20 cents, doubling in price. That's how important that 10 cent resistance mark was several years ago. We're seeing it right now. Same story as XRP. Tried to hit that 10 cent mark, couldn't do it, and was rejected quite heavily at that move, right? Here's that rejection right there. Now, what's interesting, same pattern. You're seeing a slow pullback now, right? Volume has gone away. The same story is existing. See what I mean? Leading up to the movement, no volume. After the movement, no volume. And XLM holders right now are hoping that, hey, Jerome, be nice to us, give us nothing. Because again, no rate hike increase, a pause by the Fed will rally the markets. Quarter basis point is already priced in as shown by the watch tool, right? People in the know already thinking this is going to happen at a quarter basis point. Now let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's selling at 18. Here's kind of the interesting thing about that, okay? Bitcoin stalls, money goes somewhere else. Okay, it's not like there's an infinite supply of money. Well, unless you ask the Fed. That's kind of funny. But money moves from one sector to the other, right? Precious metals, then it could maybe move over to tech stocks, then to crypto, then to housing, real estate. You guys get my point, all right? Money was rolling into Bitcoin here for a while. I mean, you could see rolling into Bitcoin. You could see some healthy volume here over the last couple weeks. That's where the action was. Bitcoin stalls at 28. I keep saying 18, guys. What the hell? Bitcoin stalls at 28. And you can see again, where is the stall at? 28.5, 28.5, 28.5. 3 days in a row. And this is 28.3 today. So 4 days we're working on right now, a stall at 28.5. And every time it gets 28.5, it kind of retraces on down. So the action has moved away from Bitcoin from the last several days, moved into the alts. Now, where did money flow out of? Watch this. Look at the gold price now over the last several days. Gold went up with Bitcoin on that safe haven asset play. Gold had its own ceiling. And here's the reason why I'm bringing up gold. Because like I said, safe haven assets. People don't want to put their money in banks, so they'll put their money into crypto, precious metal, stuff like that. Gold tried busting through 2000. Got through it, could not hold it though. Could not hold it. Same thing, same story as the other ones, right? There was a huge ceiling, a very strategic point, lines up very evenly with US pricing, doesn't it? So for those of you out there watching internationally in the United States, this shows you how important critical levels of support are based on US pricing. Gold could not hold that 2000. Has since retraced to 1945. Still a big run up. But again, the money, right? The big volume that was trading in gold now has moved on over to the crypto space, action in the crypto space. Will we see XLM and XRP break through their resistance points? Will we see XLM hit that 10-cent mark as Jerome Powell and the Fed come out at 2 p.m. today to announce their rate hike? Will XRP be able to break down that 50-cent barrier that we saw that was rejected heavily? Boy, we're all hoping so, and we hope there's enough oxygen and fuel to keep this thing going. So what's your safe word when you're role playing? Oh, don't tell me your safe word or any of your crypto key phrases. Jerome, call me Daddy Powell, will be out there today. It's all in his hands. If Jerome comes out and says, you know what, we're going to be taking a pause based on the recent action with the banks, holy crap, hold on tight for a big run. Jerome comes out with the quarter. Most of us are thinking that the markets have priced this in and that you're going to see that continual decline of crypto prices, XRP, XLM, and the alts that we're moving. Now, if the unthinkable happens and Jerome comes out with the 50, done. We are going back down to the basement, ladies and gents. But extremely low probability of that happening, especially with banks across the globe having cash crunch crises. Now, earlier, Tongkat Ali, taking a supplement, doing it on my second channel, sharing that journey with you. That's this video right here. You want crypto Web3 action? That's this video right here. Hey Ben, tell your brother thank you for the awesome stellar picture. And Jerome, call me Daddy. Know your safe word. 2 p.m. today, live stream. Catch you there.